Hello guys, today I'm going to solve a problem that is problem number 17.5 from the Shigley design of machine element book. So that problem is more mathematical than related to machine design, but since the formula that we are going to prove, that formula is going to be used in other problems as well, so that is why I'm going to solve this problem. So first of all, we are given that the specific weight of the belt is equal to 12 gamma bt, and in the problem we are given that it is equal to a1b. So this 12 gamma and t is equal to a1. Similarly, if you know that f1a, which is the tension in the belt on one side, is equal to fa b cp cv, so it is going to be equal to a naught b according to the book. So if a cp cv is equal to a naught, and similarly fc is equal to this if you put the values of w or omega, that is specific weight, so it is going to be equal to this. Here we have put 60 in the division as well, because the velocity you will get will be in per minute, so to convert that per minute into seconds you have to put 60 over here, and it is going to be equal to a2b. So instead of a1 divided by 32.174 and 2 v divided by 60 whole square, we have put a2. Similarly, it is given that f1a minus f2 is equal to 2d by t, and it is also equal to 33,000 h divided by v, and as you know that h design is equal to h nominal k s and d. So if you take this one, it is going to give you f2 is equal to f1a minus 2t by d, or you can also write 33,000 is designed by v instead of 2t by d. Now you know that f1 is equal to a naught b, so you have to put that over here, and according to the book it is given that f pi is equal to ln of f1a minus fc divided by f2 minus fc. So if you put the values of f1a, fc and f2, you are going to get this. So all these informations are given in the question, and what you are required to do is to show that b is equal to 1 over a naught minus a2 into 33,000 into hd divided by v into e to the power f pi by e to the power f pi minus 1. So you are going to prove this. Here we will start the solution with the formula, that is e to the power f pi is equal to f1 minus fc divided by f2 minus fc. F1 or f1a, as you know that it is equal to a naught b, and fc is going to be a2b, and f2 is equal to a naught b minus 2t by d, and similarly this fc is a2b. Now by cross multiplication you will get a naught b minus a2b divided by e to the power f pi is equal to a naught b minus 2t by d minus a2b. So you are going to get this value. Now if you see over here, b is common over here, so you can take b common. Similarly, you can take b common from this side as well. So taking b common from both, as you see there is no b in this term, so you can write b with this term in the numerator and denominator. It can be cancelled out again. So when you take b common from this b will be taken common, and you will have to write this b in the denominator, and taking b common from this you are going to get this. Now these two can cancelled out with each other, so you are left with this. Now what you will have to do is to bring this term to the right side of the equality and this one to the left side of the equality, so you are going to get this. Now what you can do is to take a naught minus a 2 common from right side of the equality, you will get, so here you will get 1 minus, and you will get 1 over here as well. Now take LCM, you are going to get this. So 2t by db is equal to a naught minus a2 into e to the power f pi minus 1 divided by e to the power f pi. Now what you can do is to multiply this b over here and bring this whole term onto the left side of the equality by dividing this term on both sides. So you are going to get 2t by d into 1 over this term. So you are going to get this, that will be equal to b. This term is going to go to the denominator according to the rule, so put it over here instead of there. So b is equal to 1 over this a naught minus a2 into this 2t by d into this. And as you know that this 2t by d is equal to 33,000 into hd divided by v. So you have to write 33,000 hd by v instead of this 2t by d. So b is going to be equal to 1 over a naught minus a2 into 33,000 hd by v into e to the power f pi divided by e to the power f pi minus 1. So this is the proof. So we have proved that b is equal to this, since it is going to be used in the problems later on. So that is why I have proved this formula. Now what you can do is that if you want to put the values of a naught and a 2, you can put those values as well. So instead of a naught, you can put FACPCV. Similarly, instead of a 2, you can put a1, which is 12 gamma t by 32.174 into v by 60 whole square into 33,000. Instead of hd, you can put h nominal ksnd divided by velocity v into e to the power f pi divided by e to the power f pi minus 1. So this will be the formula that is going to be used to find out the width of the belt, which is later on going to be used in the problems. So thank you so much guys. Stay with us for the videos later on. Thank you.